we are going to finish this, and now I show you how to do. Comments, like and subscribe. Here we are. After a lot of work, we have this. This is the interior with this part, the column. This part here for the shift levers, handbrake, and this side part. This is the dashboard. This is for the steering. I have to finish it. It's not finished. It goes about here. Yes, of course. So then I have to put in good order to finish everything. We have seats. Quite nice seats. We have the steering wheel, and this goes here. Then we have the gear shaft. This I've made it in black because the plastic yellow was no good. Then this is the main gear. Then we have seat belts. These, I don't know if they are enough, but I would like to mount them. They comes from a static model, 1 to 8, and obviously my wonderful pilot. And also here I would like to have some movement. I've seen a very, very good YouTuber that made something fantastic with the arms in tissue, and hand glued to the steering wheel, and a servo according to the wheel steering. Fantastic, it makes this movement. But to me, just if the head can move a little bit, like this, like those dogs here in Italy I've seen. I don't know if in your country in the 70s there were this very funny thing. The dog on the back window of the car that moved the hand like it was very silly, very stupid thing. I would like to do something like this also with a pilot, but not so stupid, something nice. The pilot that moved the head, I don't know, it will come here about, where is the gear shaft? Here. And this is it. Now I have to finish something, and here I use the head of these pins like they were balls. Then I have to put Velcro here, maybe here too, even if this body stays very well over perfectly here. Let's go on with the work. Another slideshow. Up to later. And remember, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, the work is done. The cockpit is almost finished. You see, there are no seat belts. I didn't want to put them. I wanted to stop the work here. I think that I've made enough. The steering wheel can turn, maybe when the cargo moves. The pilot head moves. It's mounted on a spring, as you see in the picture. Can turn and can do little movements. So when the car goes there. And this is the Velcro just on the rear, as the interiors are very well fitted into the chassis. This is the chassis, here it is. You see, it fits here, and it's not so steady, but it's quite steady. And when you put the body, where is it? Here. There's no need of other fixing points. I like it quite a lot. My pilot with a moving head and the steering. And so another work is done. Next work. Hello everyone. Comments, like, and subscribe. Subscribe is free. It's very useful for us. You want to have fun with videos? We have to pay to make videos, and so we need to get money. We get money the more we are. It's very easy. Subscribe. It's not difficult. Just click on the button. And next work. You look, it's nice. Very happy. Can you see it? No, not so much. Okay. Quite good. Take a look inside. Take a look inside. I can do this. I can do this. And hello, we are inside the car. When I move the light from the rear, is very nice because you see it's quite realistic. Next work, we can choose between a lot of options, and I show you. We have this winch. It has not a remote control because I have broken it on the Gen 8, so I bought a new one for the Gen 8. This works, but with a switch. Better than the Traxxas one that is just it's a fake. This is a fake winch. Better to put a real winch. I don't know if red will be nice. Okay, winch, 1, 2. Second things we can do, this is the second gear kit, including a micro servo. This helps me a lot. Then we have another thing, very nice. This is a roll bar LED light. And this works, if I'm not wrong, directly from the battery, because they told me 5 to 7 and 6 volts. And so I can mount this on the roof rack. I told you roll bar, no, sorry, roof rack. I can mount here on the roof rack, directly connected to the battery, but I want to pass through the switch, so perhaps I will do this when I do all the lights. Then we have some adjustments on the frame. Then I think that I have finished this car. Hope you like it. Comments, like and subscribe. Up to the next. Bye bye everybody. Bye bye everybody. And stay safe. Stay safe. Be patient with this virus. Be very patient. Bye bye.